Today I'm going to talk about the best 25% card. I think this is the only 25% card, but you'll never get approved for it. And there's numerous YouTubers that do these kind of videos with credit cards, and I've seen some of them where they've been approved for everything else but not US Bank. And that's been my experience too. I've been rejected for this card, and I've been rejected by US Bank in the past, whereas pretty much every other company I've had no problems with. So this card is called US Bank Altitude Connect Visa Signature Card. You get 50,000 points when you spend $2,000 in 120 days. That's 4 months. It's basically, you would have to spend like $500 a month, which is about the same amount as the Wells Fargo card that gives you the $300. I think it's like 300,000 points or something. Anyways, that card you can get approved for easily, and it's basically this $1,500 spending, and you get $300. This one, you spend $2,000, you get an extra month, and you can spend an extra. You'd have to spend an extra $500, but then you're going to get $500 instead of $300 for the Wells Fargo one. And there's no annual fee for the first year, and then it's $95 on this one. Whereas with the Wells Fargo one, there's no annual fee. So, I mean, this looked really, really tempting at the time because $500 is quite a bit, and they give you 4 months, which is nice. And it's a big bank, so you know they're not gonna go out of business anytime soon. But it's unfortunate that their standards are so high that they don't seem to approve anyone. And from what I've read, there's some type of obscure credit bureau that they use that basically no other bank uses, and that's the reason why people seem to have trouble getting approved with US Bank. So anyways, if you really want to sort of buy a lottery ticket, you could try this and see if it works, but more than likely you're not going to get approved. If you're like me, and I've got somewhere between 800 and 830 credit score, and never had a problem with most credit cards, but this one's been a problem. So, but you get five times points on hotel rooms and car rentals, 4 times points gas stations and travel and EV charging, 2 times points at grocery stores, dining, streaming, no foreign transaction fees, and then you get this $30 streaming credit. Oh, that's pretty nice. So, if you've got Netflix or something, you could deduct that from the $95 fee. So that lowers the cost a little bit. TSA pre-check, $100 in statement credit to reimburse your application fee once every 4 years. Let's see what else. So this isn't the only card that US Bank has. Maybe it'll be a little bit better if you apply for one of the 20% cards that they offer. They have 2 20% cashback cards. The Altitude Go Visa, which is $200 when you spend $1,000. And I believe, is that 120? I believe that's 120 days. No, 90 days. So it's like every other card. It's 90 days. So at that level, I would probably say you'd be better off with a Bank of America 20% return card or a Wells Fargo or one of those. And then the second card that they have is the US Bank Visa Signature, $200 back when you spend $1,000, I think. Probably the same thing. Oh, this one they give you 120 days. So that's a little better deal if you don't want to spend too much. And that one, let's see, where is it? So that one, I don't know if it has an annual fee. Let's see, no annual fee. So this is definitely a better deal than the regular Go Visa. I would go with this one because of the that's one of the pluses, and then you get up to 5% cash back on 2 categories. Most of the other ones, not quite as good. There's one here which looks similar, but when you look at the annual fee, $400, that's pretty steep. I mean, I wouldn't go with that. And then this, like most Amex cards, you've got, like this gives you $300. It says worth $450 in travel, but in points, in dollar points, it's like probably 300, I think. So that would be, and you're paying $85 for that. And the spending on this is probably much higher, $2,000. So you've got to spend $2,000 to get, what was it, $300? So that's only this is only a 15% card. That's not good enough. And there's an annual fee, so I would say forget that one. So anyways, you could try one of these US bank cards, but more than likely you're not gonna get approved. So that's just a warning. Anyways, that's my little video today.